Good, y'all? Reds here. Today's soap review features Barrister and Mann Terror. Terror is Barrister and Mann's summer seasonal scent, released on July 12th, 2019, replacing Arctique as the summer seasonal offering from Barrister and Mann. They opted to use a synthetic cooling agent in this summer seasonal rather than traditional menthol, and they amped up the scents available, or scent notes in the scent, to give it some more complexity. Barrister and Mann products are available for purchase direct on their website, or also at maggardrazors.com, westcoastshaving.com, and if you're in Canada, top of the chain. So Terror is named for the Royal Navy warship that was repurposed into a polar exploration vessel, which sunk in the Arctic Sea in 1848, taking all crew members with it. The scent notes on this feature the aforementioned synthetic menthol, as well as peppermint, frankincense, and salt water. This will be made until August 31st, and then after that the stock will dwindle. Forgot to mention that in the intro, but in case you're interested, based on this review, you have about a month to acquire this. The scent itself is kind of approachable and fun. It's not overly masculine, and opens to me with the chilling peppermint and synthetic menthol before being rounded out by the frankincense, as well as the salt water. Make no mistake about it, this is an extremely cold scent. Even though it's not using traditional menthol, the cooling agent is cold, and the ratio used seems to be the most of any of the synthetic menthol cooling agents I've tried to date. No surprise, Mrs. Rudds is not a fan of this scent. I don't think she cares for peppermint all that much, and certainly she doesn't care for frankincense. Scent strength on this is strong, both off of the sample I have, and remains strong throughout the entire shave. TryThatSoap.com recommends Barrister and Mann Arctique, as well as Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Frostbite, as similar scent profiles. So, Terror is offered in Barrister and Mann's Excelsior soap base, which is their latest offering. This is a tallow-based soap. Soap is of mid-firmness, slightly on the firmer side than mid, if you will. And I'd say this soap is of average thirst. It doesn't take as much water as several of the previous Barrister and Mann offerings to really dial it in. When you do dial in this lather, it will have the consistency of Elmer's glue, low structure, high density lather with a nice sheen to it. Slickness on this soap is elite, both in terms of primary slickness as well as residual slickness. Post-shave is also elite on this soap base. Leaves your skin well hydrated and protected hours after the shave, and without the assistance of an aftershave product. You probably already know by now, but Barrister and Mann Excelsior is my absolute favorite soap base at present, and as such receives a ShaveScore of 98. For similar performing soaps, I'd suggest you check out Talbot Shaving or Ariana and Evans. Excellent shave today. Face shave, that is, with Barrister and Mann Terror. I can still feel the cooling long after the rinse, and I have yet to apply the matching aftershave, which from what I understand will amp up this cooling game quite a bit for me. What a fun, unique scent and cooling effect that this gives you. It's much higher than the other synthetic menthol-based shaving soaps that we've seen come out of late. So I do hope you'll have the opportunity to check out Barrister and Mann Terror. As always, thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Comment below if you have anything to say. And if you're not already a subscriber, please become one. See ya.